With a second confirmed case of measles now in Spokane, a lot of people are wondering if they're immune from the virus. And if they had the vaccine, do they need another? KXLY4's Grace Ditzler working for you. Grace, for those who are not sure if they're protected, what do they do?
Well, Nadine, to find out if you're immune, you'll have to get a blood test. And that's how the Spokane Regional Health District has been testing those people who have been possibly exposed. But you can also do it on your own. Since the first outbreak, the Spokane Regional Health District partnered with PAML, or Pathology Associates Medical Laboratories, to give free immunity screening tests to more than 80 people who are on that list of people who may have been exposed. These tests determine if someone has been previously immunized. So if you're concerned or unsure about whether or not you have received the vaccination in the past, you can also request one of these tests through your doctor's office or independently through PAML. The blood test screens for the IgG antibody that determines if you are immune to the virus.
People who were contacted, were in the known exposure areas, they definitely should get this testing. Otherwise, it really depends on if you do know your medical history or not. If you know that you have been vaccinated, there's probably not a strong need to get tested.
And if you do feel like you need to get tested, you can go through your doctor or order lab tests independently online. The website to independently order those tests is called GoCinch, and we'll put a link to it on our website, kxly.com. If you are at these locations, the Winco in North Nevada and Madeline's Cafe, at these times and are not immune to measles, you could likely get sick between April 30th and May 15th. The health district is encouraging unvaccinated people get the MMR vaccine. It's available at doctors' offices and pharmacies with or without insurance. Children need 2 doses of MMR, and adults should receive at least 1 dose unless they were previously immunized, were born before 1957, or cannot get the vaccine because of other medical issues. Symptoms of measles include a high fever, a cough, runny nose, and red eyes, followed by a rash of tiny red spots all over the body, diarrhea, and ear infections. If you do go through the health care provider to get the test, the cost will vary based on your insurance policy. If you go through PAML, a PAML service center, that cost for the test would be $45. Most people get their test results within the next day. Reporting at the health district tonight, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.